Welcome back to Brotuned, guys. Today, short little video, 10 rounds in one magazine, 270 yards. I'm going to try to double tap. I'm going to shoot 2 shots before the first one hits. So there'll be 2 in the air at one time, basically. So double tapping with the RWS Target Rifle ammunition. Let's be quick on the bolt here. One. Try that again. Here we go. Missed the second shot. Because of cant, my rifle is canted way over. Okay, so let's see if I can do it this time. Here we go. There we go, got it. Can't, so it's killing me. The wind's not too bad today. Here we go. Got it. One more. Got it. Hope you guys can hear that. It's pretty cool. Anyways, thanks for checking in on this little shorty. See you guys next time.